just a little. Let me sniff us. That's what dogs do. One's having a poo.
Did you hear that fart? The one in the puffer jacket just farted.
Well, Salo then, sniff us. The other one's peeing now too, that's right. Salo. Okay. Yeah, oh, she still wants you to say hello. Good? Yeah?